I'm Josh. Welcome to Shibuya. Kinshi, prohibited. Think of it as two people dancing on a table, which you also shouldn't do. No smoking, no way. No skateboarding, no rollerblading, no motorcycles, no RC cars, no tennis, no soccer, no golf. No, 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 no. Karaoke? Karaoke. Some alcoholic beverages look deceptively like soft drinks. So, here's the kanji for alcohol. Meat. Not meat. Meat. Not meat. Two pointy things, one pointy thing. Tabehorai. Nomihorai, nomihorai, yeah! All you can drink. Very important. Water, but I don't think you want to drink it from here. Iriguchi, entrance, walking legs. Deguchi, it means exit. Think of it as, nope, I'm done, I'm out of here. 6 hours, 200 yen. Lastly, you may not always find picture signs for restrooms, so remember these kanji. Men's restroom, women's restroom.
Thanks, Josh. If you have learned any kanji that came in super handy, then let us know at lifeplus.com or on any of our social media accounts. Thank you once again to our sponsor, Nomi Japan. Thousands of Japanese goods for $2 each in Singapore. ありがとうございます。